In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your signature in Google Docs. If you've ever needed to sign a document without the hassle of printing it out, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a simple way to add your electronic signature directly into your Google Docs document. Let's get started and streamline that signing process. First, you'll need to open your Google Docs document. Head over to your web browser and navigate to docs.google.com. Once you're there, open up the specific document where you want your signature added. Now, this part is crucial. Make sure your mouse cursor is exactly where you want your signature to appear in the document. This will save you from unnecessary adjustments later on. With your cursor in place, it's time to insert a drawing. Up at the top menu, you'll see Insert. Give it a click and then hover over Drawing before selecting Plus New. This action will open a new drawing window right there for you to work in. Now comes the part where you get to show off your artistic side, even if it's just for your signature. In that drawing window, look for the line icon. It looks like a diagonal line. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll want to choose Scribble. This feature allows you to draw freehand in the area, and it's perfect for adding those personalized touches like a signature. Whether you're using a mouse or a stylus, go ahead and carefully draw your signature in the drawing area. No rush. Take your time to get it looking just right. Once you've drawn a signature you're happy with, it's time to save it. To do that, simply click the blue Save and Close button located in the top right of the drawing window. This action will place your newly created signature into your Google Docs document at the spot where you originally positioned the cursor. Now, you might find that the signature needs a little adjustment. Fortunately, Google Docs makes it easy to refine the placement. You can click directly on the signature to select it. Around it, you'll see small squares which you can use to resize it as needed. If the signature isn't quite in the right position, just click and drag it to get it exactly where you want on the page. And there you have it, a neat and efficient way to add your electronic signature to any document within Google Docs. This method not only saves time, but also keeps everything digital. No printing or scanning required. Thanks for tuning in and happy signing!